Yes, so this is the final result almost of our trial this summer here in the southern part of Sweden, where we have looked at the possibility to grow cherry tomatoes. It's a variety of different types, and we wanted to know if we use the Gaia Grow System with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grow boxes, and could you grow that many tomato plants in one 5-box floor standing Gaia Grow System? Now this is also what I have to say is been outside, and the temperature has been varied from up to almost plus 30 degrees, perhaps a little bit more, 32, 33 Celsius. And now in the 5th of September, the night temperature is down to 5, 6, 7 Celsius. So it's time to harvest and measure how much tomatoes we have gained here. What I can say also that we haven't put many effort in organizing the plants separately. They have been more or less been allowed to grow pretty wild, just up in the sky. As you can see, some of them are 1.5, 2 meters high if you count from the bottom box here. And it's been pretty nice to see how quickly they have been growing, and how quickly also the tomatoes have started to mature. And we are going to harvest them a little bit earlier, of course, but let's take one of these ones here and just taste. And they are extremely tasteful. It's like candy almost. But that's a result when you grow hydroponically, because they have all the nutrients they want. So they are able to stack up a lot of nutrients and vitamins, and the taste is fantastic. You can see also here's another type of cherry tomatoes, a little bit bigger ones. But of course you need to do another trial and select a number of different plants to see which one would gain and deliver the best yield in a hydroponic setup, as we have done here. So basically, perhaps we can say that growing 20 tomato plants like we have done here in just one Gaia Grow System, that takes no more than half a square meter. If you do this on free land, you would need at least 20-25 square meter according to the instructions how to grow on the free land cultivation of tomatoes. So for a family, just pick the tomatoes 5 minutes before your dinner, and they will taste wonderful. This is one of the big features of Gaia Grow System, that you can grow tomatoes on a half square meter, but perhaps you would have needed at least 20-25 square meter on a freeland traditional cultivation. So on the balcony, in the backyard, in your kitchen of course, or in a local small greenhouse setup, it's possible. One of the big advantages of using hydroponic growing system and using Gaia's modular system in growing everything from tomatoes to leafy greens like lettuce and garden salad and herbs, and even medical plants like legal CBD cannabis plants. It's possible.